time to go for another ride. This time we're not going to be riding our bikes. Instead of riding our large bikes, we're going to be riding these bikes. Hello. Well, we're going to be picking up a couple of these tomorrow morning. Will these be the type of bikes we'll be riding?
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
And we're going to be riding a little bit around here before we take off, I believe. It's in the morning.
Yes.
Yes?
It's at 8:45.
8:45, yes.
Yesterday we went and checked out where the scooters are and make sure our reservations are all set. And we're on our way. We're walking over. It's about a half an hour walk from our hotel. And then some of the background that we have that we're walking through the little town. And then around this corner in a little alley or something is where our place is. You wouldn't believe how many scooters are in town. I haven't seen a motorcycle yet. I've seen some larger scooters. There's one there. Okay, that's the right way. Should be, this is it. Okay. And we are early.
Okay, and as you probably understood, I'm pleased to inform you that I'll be your guide today in this Vespa tour. Now, I don't know if you do have experience of riding scooter, motorbikes, bike. That's good for the balance. Experience? Yes, no? You do? Half and half? Okay.
Well, knowing me, just like when I go go-karting, I always have to pick the best machine. This is the one I think I'm going to ride. And I think I'm going to ride in the back. Everyone's testing these right now. Trying to get going right now. This is nuts.
Italian highways.
That's a highway?
Yeah.
It's like a cross between dirt bike and motorcycle.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I don't know, especially that road. That's crazy.
Made it to our first stop. We're at some fort, and we squeezed all our bikes in here. And now, I don't know, this place is pretty awesome. Check out these trees.
Limiting first. Always better limiting first.
The drivers around here are something else. These cars are coming along with us too. We have one out in front guiding us, and then I think we have 9 bikes, something like that. And then there's 2 or 3 of these little ones right behind us, which is kind of cool. These cool cars. And he's dragging something up, dragging a belt.
Oh, this is nice. And that is Florence. Unbelievable.
A wallet town. Beautiful staircase of Michelangelo and all the one that was a church, it's a mausoleum practically. €7.50 the entrance. And it is very close to the Central Market. Have you been? Central Market is Mercato Centrale, the most beautiful food court in town. Nice. Good big building. Looks like a castle. Toy because of Sancho basically. That's why it's so popular.
Well, I guess we're gonna go find a place here to have lunch. Kind of a neat area.
I'll come with some wine. No, you're
Oh, I know.
no?
So we finished our lunch and awesome Italian food here. Grown all here in these gardens, served with wine. Absolutely great. Actually, what they have is a cooking class here too, and doing a vlog. And they cook right in this room right here, and then they serve it to us up on the hill.
No, don't trust this.
And the people that cooked the food, they left. Hopefully they got to eat some of it too. going to end the tour. We made it back. And
Survived the Vespa.
yes, we did. We did. Sure would have been nice to have these right here, but
I know, right?
Yeah.
Those are what, just as plain?
yeah, those are very pretty. I like that one right there. That would have been nice.
Very pretty.
Red, white, and green.
Just for display.
Yeah, even that one's cool. Yep, it's a great ride. It's nice meeting you. Yes, take care. Okay, we're putting all the bikes down, up, and here comes the last of the cars. And Brendan, did you have fun? Yeah. Well, that's going to end our ride for today.